Welcome to understanding the supercharging not enabled error on your Tesla Model 3. The supercharging not enabled error prevents your Model 3 from using Tesla superchargers for high-speed charging. This happens when your car can't authenticate with Tesla's servers. It's usually due to account problems, VIN mismatches, or regional restrictions. Fortunately, fixes are often quick, thanks to Tesla's software updates. Your Tesla is linked to your account using its VIN. If there's a problem with this link, you'll see the Supercharging not enabled error. Common causes include account transfers, international moves, or software bugs. For example, after transferring ownership, the VIN might not be properly linked to the new account. To fix this, make sure your account is active and up to date. Ensure the VIN registered to your account matches your vehicle's VIN. Double-check this on the Tesla app and website. The VIN can be found in several locations on your vehicle, such as the underside of the hood or the driver's side dashboard. Proper account setup, including correct billing information and language settings, helps prevent VIN mismatches. When the link is correct, the status changes from not enabled to enabled. Start by opening your Tesla app on your smartphone. This initiates the connection to verify your supercharging access. Navigate to the Charging section and select Superchargers. Verify that your account details are accurate and up to date. Check for any pending updates or notifications in the app. Tesla's V12 software includes automated diagnostics that might prompt you to fix the issue directly within the app. This resolves about 70% of issues automatically. If the Tesla app doesn't fix the supercharging not enabled error, the next step is to perform a VIN reset. Contact Tesla support either through the app or their website. Clearly explain the error you're experiencing and request that they relink your vehicle's VIN to your account. Sometimes the Tesla app includes a built-in troubleshooting wizard that guides you through VIN reset procedures automatically. Be patient during this process, as Tesla support wait times can range from 24 to 48 hours. However, this manual intervention is often necessary for resolving persistent supercharging access issues. Once the VIN is properly relinked, your supercharging access should be restored. Before attempting to fix supercharging issues, ensure your Model 3 is running the latest software version, V12 or later. This update includes automated diagnostic features that scan for access problems and resolve them through the Tesla app. A stable internet connection is essential for the vehicle to communicate with Tesla's servers and verify your supercharger eligibility. Poor connectivity can cause authentication failures. Whenever possible, connect to a Wi-Fi network for the most reliable connection. In some regions, laws like the EU's GDPR require additional verification steps for account and vehicle access. Make sure your Tesla account is current and in good standing, and be ready to provide any requested information through the app or support channels. Tesla owners frequently share effective solutions in online communities. Popular forums like Tesla Motors Club provide detailed guides and support threads where users help each other troubleshoot issues. Another valuable resource is Reddit's r/Tesla subreddit, where daily discussion threads and user experiences offer step-by-step fixes for common problems like supercharging access. Community members have developed unofficial scripts and guides, such as app-side VIN reset procedures that can resolve authentication issues without contacting support. One effective community fix involves force restarting the vehicle's infotainment system while connected to Wi-Fi, which can clear temporary glitches in charging authentication. As one Tesla owner shared, "The community forum saved me hours of frustration. Their step-by-step guide fixed my supercharging issue in under 10 minutes." If all previous troubleshooting steps fail, contact Tesla support directly. Prepare detailed information about the error message and every step you've already attempted. Tesla's support team can manually relink your VIN to your account and resolve authentication issues. Expect average wait times of 24 to 48 hours. For fleet operators facing widespread issues, Tesla's commercial division offers bulk API tools that can fix multiple vehicles overnight. Individual users often find that persistence pays off, as seen in this user testimonial. Remember, for individual users, persistence is key when working with Tesla support. Tesla is working towards a decentralized supercharging system using blockchain-like verification to eliminate server dependencies. This should permanently resolve VIN and account issues. AI-driven diagnostics are also becoming more sophisticated, predicting and preventing errors before they occur. Expect fewer supercharging headaches in the future.